Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. No, boy, oh boy, I hope that you have been checking out all of my Sumfest interviews, videos and such, Vox Pops and all of these things. Make sure say you have been checking them out, and if you haven't, just start pre-up here. So just check out some of the links them and leave a comment. Boy, oh boy, it was so much fun. I'm glad to say I'm back with the countdown to share with you guys. So let's get right into it.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, empower all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them something, me, yo, what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Sumfest recap. Whew! Why? 2019 Reggae Sumfest, you know, by now, I enjoy Reggae Sumfest because I one of the few moments I really actually set out and put on my little reporter cap and go out and interview the artists them. And one of the persons who was on the agenda for this year was definitely Spice. And boy, that interview, let me just tell you, so initially, them only, you know how it go, you have to reach the media tent, so you have to write down a name for your artist. Sometimes the artist can say, yo, I can't interview everybody, I'm only going to select a number of people. Luckily, Spice select me as one of the media people which they want to talk to, and initially they were just like, yo, a 2 question alone, you know, Barry, a 2 question, you know, me like, boy, the way all my Spice thing set, you know, but I know if they look a 2 question thing that can work out, you know, me need more time to kind of interact with Spice because it's only one time for the year I really hard see her. And someone just kind of make them say, yo, put me for last, and luckily it worked out. And see a little highlight here of the video.
To describe the angel moment.
Who?
One word, the angel Spice moment, another word to describe that.
Who?
Okay, so the baby father drama. One word to describe that.
Clout.
Okay, what else now? Whoa, leave on. What is this thing go? Me love my. What is it? What I thought they come from?
Me love my man. Me love my man.
What I thought they come from?
Me love my man, but come and love my man.
And also, I'm going to get for check out Elephant Man performance, and yeah, him deal with the stage wicked. I'm going to get for catch up to him.
That longer can still live up to the same hype as.
Unapprove, you know, cause I me set it, and me say dancing, and me.
Yeah.
If you notice,
Yeah.
when me say, from the start, from the river, I go right back, the crowd just get crazy. Because
What else happened there? I spoke to Dalton Harris. Dalton Harris was on the international night and he did a great set.
You mentioned earlier about the naysayers.
Yeah.
Like, how did you manage to keep yourself grounded and not really affected by some of the criticism that you got?
I was affected. Like I'm human, so there were days where I have a bad day. Like me stress out like everybody else. I have a million things to do every single day. Like there's.
Did I leave out anything else?
How did it feel to be on stage?
First of all, a great pleasure to meet you.
Yes.
Respect.
Not try to keep humble and I'm not frightened, you know, I'm really frightened inside. Like you've been doing your thing, man.
When me Shana Chin performance, I was stepping into the venue to go and see Shana Chin performance, but you know how Sumfest stay. You have to reach like from 6 o'clock because the way all the traffic set, you will literally see the entrance to the gate at 7 o'clock and at 9 o'clock you still don't reach inside of the venue. May I tell you all the traffic set. Why? But yeah man, I'm sure people want to find out who was like the top performance. Boy, everybody on the second night did shell. And dance all night, Spice, you know, did our thing. Spragga Benz, I don't know, I never really get to see a lot of Spragga Benz performance, but he definitely did a good set. Who else? Coffee did our things. Boy, Sumfest, I have to just, you know, kudos to a lot of the performances because there are not a lot of stage shows where you really get to see an artist really show off them creativity and a full set like this. And so I was actually impressed by a lot of the local acts, and it definitely proved that we don't really need an international act to start to bring that wow factor. Let me know what you thought about Sumfest 2019 Burritos. Comments down below. Number 9, heat concerns. My word, my sentence. So I saw this little interview segment from a morning show abroad with this lady called Judy, and she was basically telling the other news anchors about how Jamaican people dress during the summertime. And why? I can't believe she said it's free.
Some people wear natural deodorant as well. You know, we're trying to change in times and put things into our body that's much more healthy. And fair enough, it's the smell that is the issue. But let people wear clothes that is free. You know, obviously health and safety at work, but why can't let them come in there, batty riders, pum pum shorts, and enjoy themselves?
Hello, excuse me, what's the
Batty rider. It's a Jamaican term. It's really short shorts, little batty riders and pump and riders. Oh, right. A lot of free with
Zoom zoom shots. No, isn't it amazing how you can get away with saying things like batty rider and zoom zoom shots? You know, and foreign press, foreign TV, and you can't even say nothing like peace on local radio and television. Boy. What do you say about this sort of attire thing? So we need to make sure so we endorse it in Jamaica as well. Comments down below.
This in the airport. What? Take off my clothes, love. Yes. Strictly here in this airport.
This is the boss. The big boss.
The boss.
Okay, I know.
Cover.
Okay.
Good.
My big boss.
Number 8, Papa take over. Me gungo stupid. So this video now feature this older brother, a more mature man in the middle of one church service, and he I guess felt the spirit and he needed to take the middle and march out. Pray. Big up yourself, Papa. Who for grandfather is this? Somebody come and claim him right now. What do you think about this video burritos? You think so your grandfather used to go on like so in a church? Comment down below. Number 7, new star. Me ketchup fried chicken. You know, me tell you say every couple of months or so, there's a new social media star, whether that be a man or a brother. You know, Barbara, you have macaroni, they have gully bop, you have all kind of things about the place. Mackerel and you have candy. But it look like so the frequency to which these stars are popping up is increasing because this video surfaced and I don't know. Maybe she is going to be the new mackerel or candy. Check it out and see if she get a wow.
Problem because them born with bandeleg. Me never born with bandeleg, you know. I born with a good bum. You never have bandeleg because the doctor say when you born with bandeleg, it kind of a stay so. And me don't know what kind of stay that. Me real foot my born with athlete bandeleg. See the athlete, all not chat and all not with real, Adidas, everything real. Adidas fancy, Adidas everything camera.
I don't really know. Maybe not. Maybe. What do you say, burritos? You think she have that wow factor? Comment down below. Number 6, Candy interview. Me water with wow. So social media sensation Candy, you know, has been going about place recently getting makeovers and all of these things. But I guess her platform increased after her television interview on Anthony Miller's Entertainment Report. And in this little interview, it was revealed that Candy is actually 28 years old.
Wow!
You Miller.
So much going against Carisha Brandon. Bad teeth, a difficult past, even her age. At 28, the former go-go dancer not really anyone's idea of an internet sensation.
She mentioned that she used to sell a little coochie here and there.
Big game changer in your life.
Because them criticize me. They tell me myself. They did. I can't sit down comfort. But me still.
And yes, to box foot, it look like say Candy's game is stepping up because she might now be the new ambassador
For cran water with wow. Big up yourself, Candy. Let me know what you thought about this interview, Berrydos. What you think of Candy's story? Can you understand her plight? Do you think that she will do greater things? Sound off below.
Hey everyone, I know that you are enjoying the social media countdown, but let me just say, if you want to promote, please reach out to TheDuttyBerryshow at gmail.com. It's awesome rates. You can get to promote your business, your event, your music. Send us an email right now. It is DuttyBerryshow at gmail.com. That is it, and we can get the conversation started. Now enjoy the remainder of the countdown. Number 5, Kartel Med. My word, my sentence, my paragraph. So it looks like the Gaza boss is actually having a serious illness because it seems that he's just going in and out of hospital. Now, these pictures surfaced recently with him leaving from an hospital, and we don't really sure what's the situation going on. All we know say he was decked in white and a big old rag or towel covering his face. So we not even really know if a goodly him or is a clone. I don't know. And to be honest, Vybz Kartel, let me just say the person who is using his account, did state that it is a fake story. So we don't know. True or false, we just have to just take what the page actually said. But do you think that Vybz Kartel is actually ill, or do you think it is just a means for him to, create some buzz? Comments down below. Number 4, Carib drama. Me gongo stupid. So, boy oh boy. So, how do I even explain this? So Triple X look like say him the day at the movie theater a Carib recently at Crossroads. When it look like say him buck up one piece of commotion outside between a wifey and a matey. Now this is one big messy love triangle because apparently one man come there with femme woman buck up femme other woman and her man. And yeah, this is how it went down. People,
I be things that go on here so. I'm money here so that man there over there so zoom in good. Today, come and war the girl, come catch the girl with that man in another carrier. But the man there for that carrier, I can't even answer. That man there, see him there? That man there with that carrier. The girl come point, take out the girl out of the car. And I force her to go in that car. Watch him. The girl says she not go with him. And the girl try running, but the man have him, the girl enough to go now with people at car. But then that me tell her say 2 for 1. Across is watch her. Right beside the police station, the man back in the fire girl, See the officer them here? See the officer them here? No, sir. I want to go on so. This a man here. That's why I tell you, say a fat man around the place, A fat man around the place, The fat youth here, take with a slim youth here, girl, Post, I saw the things setting up people. No, the girl say her friend carry her come. Her friend say no, she carry her, she come with the next man. No, sir, my girl clone him. Him right here, so. Him. Yeah. Come catch him, girl. Cause him come with next girl, come catch femme girl. With this man over here, say,
Him come with our friend.
Him come with our friend. Eh? What? No, man, that one is hot. It's too hot. It's too hot.
One here, there, girl. One.
My girl, go on. Where she there? Where she there? Where she there? Up the she pass the station.
Yeah.
Watch out, the girl walk down. She had up there, so. Walk down, left the station, and them sit them here talk about.
Fatty go and carry her home.
Where Fatty there? Where Fatty there?
Team there. But another share blabber mouth friend.
Yeah, at the blabber mouth because see big steps, so man, girl, you see big steps.
Wow, no, look for all of them drama here. No, can you imagine the piece of drama where I go on like how Portmore have its own a theater now? What do you think about this drama, Berrydos? Comment down below. You ever been in something like this?
Right about now, it's time for the big up segment.
Well done. Look how the girls them sexy and young. Run club, sing along. Well then, big up the friend.
And first time I forgot big up Mr. Vegas on getting his high school GED. Yes man, congratulations boss.
One of my goals was to get my high school diploma.
Also, I forgot big up Cecilia and her daughter on the launch of her children's book called Oceana. Big deal settings, man, yeah? Oh, wow, did I just play on that word, big deal? Wow. And right about now, I forgot big up this song called Love Yourself by Emmy and D. France. It's a nice little message, talking about putting yourself first and really treating yourself with the sort of value that you should, give yourself. Treat people.
I've got to love myself first. No matter what them say, me love myself first. Me tell them when me I go love myself first. Until the day me end up in a
Me alone I roam the streets. I'm tired of my heart so weak.
And yes, also I did a duo with Dutty with the UK ambassador to Jamaica recently, Mr. Ahmad, and boy oh boy, it's shell. Look out feet, see like a highlight here.
A day in the life with the High Commissioner, Mr. Ahmad, right here. What he's going to tell you?
You're gonna watch.
Yes.
You're gonna like. And you're gonna comment.
Okay, box cover.
And I'll be posting this video this Thursday at 6 p.m. So you don't want to miss it. So make sure say look out for Berrydos, okay? And so yes, me telling you earlier, say I went to Reggae Sumfest 2019, and you know, say it couldn't be possible without some help. So I forgot to say, big up to Auntie Polly, big up Auntie Polly who came last minute and make sure say me get started out in my bay with my accommodation and beer things. So make up yourself Auntie Polly a large and all of these things. Also, I have to go and to big up the Reggae Sumfest team because especially Miss Marcia, because you know me our message late with a little, you know, but you make sure say you start all the things so everything would have governed by the time I hit into my base. So big up yourself. And also I forgot big up my friends who stepped in as my videographers, that is Kavan and Joker. Boy, really appreciate it, guys, and yeah man, big up on yourself.
And also I forgot to tell you about this. My friend Danielle Hall is currently, you know, seeking medical assistance to deal with her lupus. So if you can donate, no matter how small, feel free to send the donations here. Much appreciated.
Number 3, Spicy Paris. Spice, if this dancehall artist thing don't work out, or the entrepreneur thing don't work out, I think so you can go try your hand at comedy because I think so Spice have one sense of humor that boy is true to fear brand. So Spice, you know, the Paris and she right in front of the Eiffel Tower and decides so she going, you know, flex her muscles, her tongue muscles, and show that she knows a little voulez-vous coucher avec moi, ce soir, pris.
Bonsoir, bonsoir, bonsoir. Je suis au Louvre à Paris. Si, le tableau Mona Lisa se trouve ici. La film Da Vinci Code à la fouche œuf, à fouche à faire, histoire à bombe claire, à pompe. Let's stop me so far. She can't speak French. A push, a chauffeur, a chauffeur. JP, right now? I was speaking French.
Hang up. What do you think about this video, Berrydos? Comment down below.
Cool it with piece of ice. Scan them, you don't know a spice, and you're watching the DuttyBerryShow. Keep it locked. Spice to that.
Number 2, Konshens Neckline. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay. So, whoo! So, you know, Konshens about the place, you know, stepping up in international game and all of these things. And he released these images on social media recently with him and his wife. And now, the picture, you know, him and his wife, everything is okay. But what people are praying and what people are critiquing and judging is the fact that he was sporting a shirt that I guess showed a little bit of a lower cut. You know, collarbone cleavage and all of these things. And you know, Jamaican people say they had a lot of choice things to say. I am Lacey said, hot girl summer, ... I'm so loving that blouse paired with that necklace. Where can I get one to buy? Then somebody said, since everybody afraid to say it, the shirt look like a blouse. The style look feminine. Oh, and then Spider Column says, Jamaicans. Our American can criticize so. No, sir, some only have 25 megabyte remaining and still I use it for criticize.
Started going back black. Which color did you have? Blue.
Boy, I don't know what to say. No, all I know is that the man is shooting a new music video, and as I tell you, it is so easy to trigger Jamaicans. If you want to trigger Jamaicans, wear one green shirt at one PNP rally. You know, just some simple things like that. Go to church with one bag of piercing on your face. It's just the easiest way to get a reaction. And so, you know, I guess, you know, he understands exactly what he's doing. And him do wear a shirt like this, I'm sure he'll probably make fun of it and say, yo, these people are going to talk about it. And this is just what the social media landscape is right about now. Get people talking. Why? What do you have to think? What do you think about these images, Berrydos? Comment down below. And number 1 goes to... All schooling, woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. So this, this little girl, she was featured on my countdown some time ago, you know. And is a type of little girl who have a big woman type of attitude because she grew up with her grandmother. I can't remember her name right about now, but if you know it, just leave a comment down below. Yes, you people who are on the live and don't want to give me the thumbs up, please get the thumbs up and also hit the bell, the notification bell, so that you can tune in every minute when you post one video. Okay? Anyway, back to the countdown. So this little girl, she grew with her grandmother, so she carry a whole heap of her grandmother mannerisms. So apparently she did this somewhere in a past one shop, and this brother decides, say, I'm going to tell her where she did it and what she did a do. And my girl had to step in and intervene and correct this mature brother. Pray.
I approve. Did I do?
Really? See someone I grandmother don't want to talk to.
For what?
Because
Well, on, back up.
yes.
Because I put you up there. Never come here and put argument there.
No man.
Never tell
It's
you
the
lie
fact
for
no, it's
you.
the fact that you keep lightering around the place and now go home.
Me light around the place.
Lightering.
Light.
No, I mean light nothing, you know.
Look here. Before you plan, for you big one, you want for you this on the lighter.
That's what I said. Lightering.
Whatever.
Yes.
When you see me a light around the place, you see
And
me
last week, remember you know, you were on the phone.
Yeah?
When you call your grandma and tell her, I said, look mommy, I'm coming.
Yeah.
Look grandma, and you were almost crying.
Look here.
And then me see you in the market and I waste time again.
Hold on. Let me address you now. You so when you see me, my granny, I me never did almost cry. I worry. And she one did it. And to all she had talked me think that's not me cry.
But you see, that's why I'm seeing it. When we see the market now, I say, wait.
My grandmother is in the market. She sells in the market.
Oh.
So when you don't know people easily, they don't go loud and come out of another.
I'm sorry.
And that's why your belly big, so you look like you feed from people, basically.
Yes.
What the girl say? Because him feed pan too much mixed up, that's why my belly so big.
That's why your belly big, so you look like you feed from people, basically.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's not funny at all. Somebody told me my belly big last week. So does that mean that I am feeding on too much mix up? So what do you think about this videos, Burritos? Has somebody ever incorrectly said things about you and you have to just kind of set the record straight with some receipts? Let me know, Burritos, down below. Well, that is it, people, for watching this social media top 10 countdown. I do hope that you enjoyed. If you did, yes, people on the live, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. The thumbs up button, that's so you look, you know. So it look. If you don't know how to do it, ask a friend. Please tell somebody to subscribe to the DuttyBerryShow channel. Because we are going with a bag of things over here and we need new people to be part of the excitement. Okay? And also leave a comment. Let me know what was your favorite part of the countdown. Big up all the people who watch the countdown them and watch the ads them. Big up on yourselves. One of the real MVPs who sit down and watch the ad and know say, yo, better work ads. So I'm going to make sure someone support the better thing by watching the ads them. Yeah, man. Big up for yourself. Also, if you want to follow me on social media, it is at DuttyBerryShow. It's at DuttyBerry. That on Instagram, on Twitter, Snapchat. If you want to email me, book me, have a promotion within the social media countdown, you don't know, say it's very simple. So just reach out to me, artists, business owners, anybody. If you have a proposal where you want to run it by me, yeah, man, send me an email to DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. That's DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. So take care until next time. And also, Burritos, please be safe out there. Please, me, I beg you, be safe out there on the road, them count and drive on. I'm tired of the one about crashing and all of them something here. Just be safe out there, alright, Burritos? Big up on yourself, locals, and the ones them who are abroad. Yes, man, thanks for tuning in and supporting. Oh! Wow, I can't chat, do you know?
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth.